I've been sick. Welcome back to Tab's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna be making apple crisp because, you know, I'm sick and I just really want, you know, just some nice apple crisp. It'd be nice, you know? I saw Jenna and Julian make this on Jenna Marbles channel, and so I really wanted to like recreate it, try doing the recipe. The only thing is that it's not gonna be vegan, it's just gonna be regular apple crisp. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I thought it would be nice to make like just, you know, little apple crisp. So it's something that's like dessert, that's easy to make, and that like is pretty cheap to make for like a college student, you know. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Alright, to start this, I need to set the oven to 350. Alright, so I bought 3 pounds of apples. It calls for 2 pounds of apples, which I honestly thought 2 pounds of apples would be way more than this, but this is 3 pounds of apples. So I got 3 pounds. I've been sick like the past like week, so I've been like struggling a little bit, but you know, we're chugging along. We're getting there. I need sugar. I need 1/4 of a cup of sugar. So what I'm doing right now is I'm putting the dry ingredients that will go actually on the apples, like coat them. I'm putting them into a bowl and I'm gonna mix them up. And then I'm gonna cut the apples up after that. And then after that, I'm gonna make the actual like crust part, I guess, of it, like the part at the top. A little bit more than the 1/4, but oh well. I'm guessing that's enough. So I definitely think I could use more apples in here, which means I'm gonna be spending the next another 40 minutes chopping up these apples. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. All right, so the apples are cut. I didn't use 4 of them. Just because I think that's enough. It's pretty well spread out in here, so I think that's good. I'm gonna put you right there. That's your home now. Yeah, I think this is good. Now I just need to add the top part of it, which will be like the crust part, I guess. So let's get to that, and then we can just put it in the oven, let it sit there for a few minutes, and then we're done. That's all. Don't judge me, but I don't have a bowl that's like big enough for me to mix all these ingredients in it. So I'm using a pan or a pot, I don't know. That's what I'm mixing it in. Don't judge me, okay? One cup of this. that into this pot. Okay, so we have 36, 35, 34 seconds left on the apple crisp. They smell really good, but I'm not gonna lie. I think I might not put as much butter as I might have needed to because it looks very dry. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that, but we're gonna figure it out. Like I said, don't really know if I added enough butter to it because this all looks so dry. But I mean, it's supposed to be like that. I don't know, it's definitely bubbling. Should I try mixing it at all, or should I just put some more butter on it and then put it back in there for like 5 more minutes? Oh. This is a lot better. I missed one spot. Yeah, I missed one spot right there, but that's okay. But other than that, I mean, that corners could be better, but other than that, like, it looks pretty good, and it smells really good. It's good. It's a lot more gooey, and it might be because I added maybe way more butter than I was supposed to add, but oh well. But definitely, it tastes really good. And the apples are really good consistency too. I think this is still fine. I think this is kind of more of like a dessert casserole. Like an apple casserole, you know? It's pretty good. I would definitely recommend it. It takes a little bit of time to do. Like the cutting apples part was 2 hours of my life. I'm never gonna get back. That's okay. But other than that, this is pretty easy and like kind of nice to make. Like I've never made something that like you put into like a casserole like dish like this and you bake it. Like I've never made anything like that. So that's really cool. I really enjoyed that, and I kind of want to try making like casseroles now, not just like apple casserole, but actual casserole. Thank you, friends, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please follow my blog, my Twitter, and my Instagram, as well as subscribe, because I like making videos, and maybe I'll make more. Who knows? I hope you all have a good Thanksgiving, and as Jenna and Julian said in their video, if you don't celebrate Thanksgiving, then happy dinner. Oh, I don't want to end my thing like they do. Oh. I'm also like sporting like the same like hairstyle, like beanie that she has on. It's fine. I'm just a Jenna Marbles wannabe. I'm just joking on my own self.